still used to prepare breakfast for 2 people, myself and my mother. Let's go buy some bread together. Hello Van Dad. I live alone with my mother because she has health problems, so I lost my job 2 years ago. I'm dedicating all my time to taking care of her. Every morning I wake up around 5:30 and help her with her hygiene. My house is near several traditional markets in Vietnam. In my country, most people go to these markets every day. I'll gradually take you to explore the rhythm of life in Hanoi. In my country, people still use the East Asian calendar. In our country, we have a tradition of offering incense, flowers, and paper money to the spirits of our ancestors. Today I went to the traditional market to buy flowers, fruit, and paper money to offer to my ancestors and the guardian spirits of my house. This is the flower stall I always buy from. The vendor is quite cheerful, always welcoming customers and selling a wide variety of flowers.
Cho em hồng.
Rồi 5.000 bông bây giờ.
Cho em chục bông.
Đẹp không? Đâu lấy hoa nào đấy?
Hồng này đi. Hồng nào để được lâu hơn chị?
Đâu nói chung là hoa bây giờ cứ cắm vài ngày thôi, không?
Biết rồi, nhưng mà mai thì nó vẫn trông nó vẫn thể.
Mai thì vẫn như này, rồi làm sao mà héo ngay được em, bảo đảm luôn. Hoa này mai vẫn tươi như này luôn.
Mười bông. Cắt bớt cho em. Cứ để đây cho em quét mã cái.
Để đây các bảo để đây.
Đâu. Đây thôi.
Đây em lên.
FC.
Quay đẹp quá.
And this is the fruit stall, quite busy at the market. My country is tropical, so the fruits are very diverse and the prices are very cheap.
Mua dưa đây cô. Dưa xanh bao tiền?
Xanh 35.
35 là chuẩn giá cô ạ. Táo là bao nhiêu ấy? 182.000.
And this is the mushroom stall, quite diverse, with snow mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms, and many other types at very reasonable prices. This stall is quite popular, especially among vegetarians. The prices are quite cheap and they are open all day. They are busiest on full moon days. I bought these shrimp for $3, enough for 2 meals a day for me and my mother. After arranging the offerings, I will wait for the incense to burn out and then burn the paper money. We still believe that the dead still have souls and live like people. While alive, they only lived in an invisible world, eating and living according to their thoughts, so we still have a duty to care for them. I went to the bread store where I always buy my bread. The seller is an elderly lady who sells for only a few hours each day, also to add joy to her old age. Then visit, but today I only bought dessert. Older people seem to like this place because it has a familiar dish. The streets of Hanoi in the morning are quite peaceful. Each person has a different rhythm of life. Some people are exercising, people who go to work early, or those who prepare food for a new day, because we go to the market every day and cook for ourselves every day. Look, my bread is pretty good for $0.50. Please share and like my video to help me get more views, so I have more motivation and the means to take care of my mother. Thank you, everyone. Let's explore more food in my country together, because there are many other delicious and famous street foods that I want everyone to know about.